Hi guys, welcome to a new tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to highlight cells that have values less than a certain number. If you like the video, don't forget to like and to subscribe. Also, if you have questions, don't forget to leave a comment in the section below. Also, you can download the sample file in the description. So, let's get started! So for this example, I have a list of students and I have their grades and I want to find out which students failed or passed the class. So a student failed the class if he or she made less than 60 points. So I'm gonna be using conditional formatting to find out the students that failed the class. So I'm going to select from cell C3 down to cell C14, and on the home menu I'm gonna look on the styles section and I'm gonna look for conditional formatting. And I'm gonna click in here. And after I click it, I'm gonna look for the highlight cell rules and I'm gonna look for the option that says less than, and I'm gonna select it. So this is gonna bring up this pop-up window and it says format cells that are less than, and I'm gonna change in here this number to 60 because I want to know the students that failed the class. Then on the right, I have a set of options and I can choose in here the format that I want to give to these cells. So I'm gonna leave the light red field with dark red text, the default one, and I'm gonna click OK. So now as you can see, I can identify the students that failed the class, which in this case are Tom, Kyle, Natalie, and Jenny. All of them made less than 60 points. I can also change the format of these cells so that they are displayed differently. So I'm gonna go back to conditional formatting and I'm gonna look in here for the option that says manage rules. And after I click it, I'm gonna get this pop-up window and I'm gonna select this option right here to select my rule, and I'm gonna click on edit rule. Then as you can see here, it says format only cells with cell value less than 60. And then I can get a preview on how those cells are going to be displayed. So I'm gonna click here on format and I'm gonna look in here on font and I want these cells to be bold. Okay, and then I'm going to go on border and I want these cells to have an outline. So I'm gonna click in here. Okay, and I'm gonna go up on the fill tab and I want these cells to be marked in yellow. So I'm gonna click in here yellow and I'm gonna click OK. So now I can get a preview in here. So this is how those cells are gonna look. So I'm gonna click OK and then I'm gonna click here on apply and I'm gonna click OK. So now I have changed the format of those students. So I can now see which students failed the class. And this conditional formatting is also going to be working if I change the grades. So for example, let's take the first student, John, and let's assume that his grade is not 90 but 30. So I'm going to change it to 30. And as you can see, this student now has a highlighted cell because the conditional formatting is still going to work no matter if I change these values over here. So if I changed, for example, Kyle's grade to 100, then it's not going to be highlighted anymore. So that's how you use conditional formatting to highlight cells that are less than a certain value. In a different video, I'm going to show you how to do the opposite with cells that have a value greater than a certain number. Alright guys, I hope that video was useful. If it was, please don't forget to leave a comment, to like, and to subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything and you'll be motivating me to upload more tutorials for you. Also, don't forget that you can download the sample file in the description below. So, thanks again and see you next time!